Well, hello, everybody. Good evening. We are live. Another beautiful day in the trading markets today. If you guys are green, give it a thumbs up. Hey. Ryan Entourage already. Dio Soul, Greg P, Jerry Trades, and Kyle Shees all in the house. We're getting ready to go. Taking a look at the markets here, though. Geez, what are we doing? Doesn't seem like we're doing a whole lot. Some pretty choppy price action today, guys. So it looks like we are moving away from having clean Asian sessions. We had clean Asian sessions pretty much through most of last month. Now I think we're starting to get into choppy Asian sessions and cleaner New Yorks. I don't know, we'll see. How's everybody doing tonight? Are you guys taking any trades? We got Ralph in the stream. Getting loaded up here. So far looking like we're gonna have to be patient here. Be patient. TM just joined the Discord. Hey, welcome TM. How are you? Don't know if you're in the live stream, but we had a little spammer join the Discord earlier. I tried to catch him as fast as I can. I just saw somebody join randomly in the middle of the day. I'm like, huh? And then I looked and yeah, he doesn't like this range. Hey, Serpent God? He's like, you mean, are you talking about the camera view or are you talking about the range of the trading session? Planning for a long on MNQ, but still too choppy. Yeah, I agree. I did take a small scalp earlier, made 96 bucks in my top one futures elite daily evaluation account. So this guy here, I'm up 1,284 in this account, locked in 96.90. Basically bought this long here. I don't know if you guys anybody was on earlier, but we had this kind of like this candle here at 7:15 p.m. It just popped right up. So I waited for the pullback and waited for the candle closure. I took the long after that. Scaled out here up in the I think it was around the 60s. What was this price? 90s, 80s and 90s area. So that was a decent little scalp there. I think that was six micros, or no, it was 2, 3, 4 micros total. So I guess we should be patient here, guys. Be patient. Yeah, the range of NQ, I know, right? It's not being very nice, that's for sure. This isn't my type of market to trade. I mean, I could probably find a sort of a scalp off of the low or the high, but knowing my luck, or typical luck for anybody, is the one time we go to buy it at the low of the range is when it's going to break down to the bottom or something, right? So it's normal because we have non-farm pay employment. Yeah, that's true. They're accumulating in this range, obviously, which is kind of healthy since we're still at a decent level compared to that pump, right? Like we had the pump and then we stayed at a decent level since then. So I did end up taking a pretty decent trade in the New York session. This is, you can see it here. I ended up entering 1 micro here a little bit before pre-market, I think it was. Yeah, so 10 minutes before market opened, I added into it way down at the bottom of this candle, added into it as it was popping up, and then scaled out up here. So that one, I think I made about 650 or so on that trade, and I did that in this account, plus I did it in my 100K funded account. Yeah, so I guess we're just gonna have to get busy with the chat tonight, guys. Let's make this this session interesting here. Market is in limbo. This could break either way, back up to 30K or down to 29,000. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Or, I mean, it might just stay in the range. You know, it might just stay in the range. That's how it goes for me. I avoid these ranges unless it's just a micro. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. And you know, this isn't like the best market. These type of price actions aren't the best market to trade, right? Because, you know, like you get in, it pulls back, it goes up on you, it goes back down. It's like it never really has a clear direction. So it's better to wait for, you know, some better price action, you know. We've been trading below the overnight VWAP and mostly above the previous day's point of control, which is, I mean, that's a good thing because that just means the bulls are still fighting. But we'll have to see why I'm still pushing down more. I don't know if this, what do you guys think about the new camera view for Ralph? I was thinking about trying this view. It's kind of like elevated a bit. But give me your thoughts. Do you guys think it's better when it's down low near him or elevated like this way? Only 4 licks? Likes? Licks? Decent start into the session here. We got 27 people on YouTube, 4 people in X. You like it down low a little bit better? Oh, you look sad at this level? Oh, Mr. Ralph, are you sad? I will adjust it back to the way it was. There we go. We got him locked in, guys. We got him locked in. He's chilling. Cute. Thanks. My vote is for Ralph in 28. Down low makes you feel better when I take losses, and he looks at the camera. He's like, oh, I feel for you. I feel for you. Ralph for president. Hey, Miss K. Good evening. Miss K, salute. Yes, sir. You know it's bad when we prefer a dog as president. Yeah. I hear ya. I hear ya. Dog and love. Hey, little doggy love. You hear that Miss K has junk that nobody can stop tonight? Careful, Miss K is pretty tall. I'm understanding. All right, we're heading down to the bottom of the range here. I don't know. I just don't see the value in trading this at the moment, but maybe. I do have that 200K blue sky eval. I don't really want to. I'm up 1174 in that one. Here's what it looks like in Lake Chelan today. Oh my god, you can't even see anything there. Okay, let's take a look around for some fair value gaps here. Maybe like a 15-minute or something. So we got a 15-minute bullish fair value gap down here, lining up with the 4-hour a bit. So this would be a good indicator. If we get a closure below this guy, maybe we're gonna look for a move lower. 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. Yeah, I saw that, Lone Wolf. You calling me a junkie? I might be mixing up two giveaways. Was that on Cove's or Sean's stream, Miss K? Watch out, yo, Jim Nada Torres. Miss K is a cop? Oh, damn, she's a cop? All right, pushing down a bit lower here. I mean, I'm like thinking, this could be a good buy, but then I'm like thinking, well, we have this fair value gap below, which could be the draw on liquidity, and then also like we're below the VWAP, we're below previous day's point of control, so I'm a little concerned that, you know, this could be the start of the move lower. I don't know, we'll have to see. They did finally gobble those orders up down here at 29,482. Jeez. Hit the like, guys. It's free. Just a few seconds. Hey, thanks, Serpent God. Appreciate the support. Karma Farm. Yeah. Cove banned me? Really? What? She's a Fed? Someone hide the peanut butter. Miss K works for ICE? Jeez. Careful. Don't tell your origin on stream, guys. She's tall and powerful. Hey, thanks, Skeletor. Appreciate it, buddy. Thank you, thank you. Hey, Drew69 Malibu in the house. What's up, buddy? Let's do this. Kind of, we pushed down into those orders. Now we're just stalled out here. I'm like really fighting the urge here to buy along, because I just feel like As much as I'd like to get in long here, the potential to like go sort of back up to the towards the 600s anyways is pretty good, but I don't know. Just not feeling it at the moment. Just logging in here to the Lucid platform, seeing if I want to see if I got approved for some more accounts to give away. Yeah, it looks like we got it. Nice. Okay, good. We're reloaded on the accounts for the giveaways, guys. That's awesome. That is awesome. So we officially have another month's worth of giveaways. Woo, that's good. I feel like if we can get a closure back above 500, maybe we're gonna head back towards the highs. I don't know. I really don't trust this price, guys. Is manipulation before distribution bullish? If this is a range, we're at the bottom. I know this is a thing though. So if you want to buy it here, you're kind of risking the fact that we could break down. We have this 15-minute bullish fair value gap below, which could be sort of the draw on liquidity, the short term anyways. So I don't really make enough affiliate sales, Kyle, with other firms. I've occasionally in the past I did get some top one futures accounts, but my sales on them have really dropped off. So maybe if I get some more Tradeify sales, they might consider giving me. But yeah, you know, you gotta make commission sales to get the giveaways. So, and the only ones I seem to make affiliate commission sales is from Lucid. Sideways price action here. Yeah, I mean, I definitely like Tradeify and Lucid. That's kind of the main that I've been focusing on. Top one futures is okay, but you got to be like sort of like wanting to go straight to funded and, you know, have enough other accounts, right? So no Apex and no my funded futures. I should actually apply to my funded futures. I don't know if got pails from TPT and my funded futures working on Apex next. Nice. Did you know Lucid has an app now? It's perfect. Really? Not sure if this is old news. Really? I didn't know that they have an app. What do you do on the app? Or you just see your like dashboard? Okay. Good to know, good to know. I'm gonna download that right now. You see everything from the dashboard on your phone? Nice, yeah. Sweet. That's good to know. I got it. Looks like we are bouncing a little bit from this low. 84, now we're up. Wow. 40-point ripper there. Jeez. I should have just bought it, hey guys? I should have just bought it. I just didn't really trust it here. Ryan's back. Ryan is back, guys. Tim's in the house. Hey Tim, I haven't seen you in the morning lately. I guess you're a busy guy. You're probably done pre-market, hey? You're first and then you're last? Yeah, I saw it. I said, hey, what's up? Ryan. Ryan Entourage in the house. First one in the chat. You've been too busy at work lately? Fair enough, fair enough. It is that time of year, eh? We finally hired a new person yesterday to help you out. Nice. Long, short, long, short. Zero skills? Yeah. You missed your long entry, 942? $79.42? No. $4.92. Yeah, I was like looking. I'm like, huh? I'm trying to math it out here. It's just not mathing properly. Jerry trades. Miss K's definitely cop. Someone has to watch Dave. Oh, damn. Hey, I'm in trouble. Noise in the house. Hey, how are you? Lone Wolf, you're long 10 MNQ from 483. Nice entry, dude. Wow. Perfect. Nice. And 10 MNQs. Holy smokes, man. Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. This market's not moving. I know it's pretty sideways. That's why I'm kind of leaning to stay flat here. Probably should have bought this. We're stuck in a range. Had a good opportunity to buy it, but I just see this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. This is going to be a draw in liquidity eventually. It's just ranging between value areas. Yeah, that's true. What do we got? We got value area low. And value area high. And the point of control. Dave, a lot of the subscribers from Mustang Trader are in your stream supporting. That's awesome. You mean Skeletor? Most of the subscribers go to Nick's channel from my channel, bro. But yeah, I know. we kind of like, we have them both. Plus farm store 2 towns over closed up, so I'm getting a lot of their customers. Oh wow, yeah, no doubt. Hit my stop loss 856. Good evening, Skeletor. Great green. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Anxious sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stick it up slow, don't blow. Yeah, you know, I'm usually promoting Nick's stream on my stream also at night, so. Is it an echo check? What did I say? Tight stops? Ego check. Oh, ego. I thought you said echo check. No, you know, a lot of the people, obviously people like Nick because he's a good trader, right? But I'm often sending quite a few people there from the evening streams. Like we usually recommend it and I link it and people follow, and then they end up seeing him in the pre-market, find some good trades, see how good of a trader he is. So obviously he earns those people's views. I'm not trying to say that. I'm just saying that a lot of those are referred to his channel because I'm supporting it, you know. Ego check. I like it, Jerry. Yeah, Nick's awesome. He's got awesome jokes. He's can help you with your risk management, scaling, all that stuff. His trade style is very good, for sure. So, I mean, how many other traders do you know making 20K freaking in one trade? You had a client's electrical panel light on fire in this heat. I had to run over real quick to see if we can restore power until I rebuild tomorrow, and I've missed Globex open all this week. Gotcha. Usually I get up around that time, turn on a stream, give him a like, and then fall back to sleep to work. Well, thanks for the support though, Lone Wolf. You know, we always appreciate that, right? Okay, I'm gonna apply for an affiliate here, guys, with My Funded Futures. So, hey, I finally have over 2,000 subscribers, so maybe I can actually qualify for some of these subscribers. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let me be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and MNQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X. Ready? Ready? Ready for Globex. Let's go. How can I find this stream? Are you talking about Mustang traders? Here, let me link it for you. There's a link to Nick's channel there, Noe. Did you find Dave through Mustang or vice versa? Yeah, I thought Skeletor found me first, but... Oh, there you go. No bake cookies or Rice Krispie treats? Hey, yeah, thanks for the support. Yeah, we've been we're trying to grow his channel too. Obviously, it's nice. He's finally getting over to about 200 subscribers. It's a really slow grind at first, right? I remember when I was like 100 subscribers and 200 subscribers. It's quite the battle to get going, especially trading just the New York session, because you know there's so many other well-known trading channels that it's like it's hard to get, you know, posted on the algorithm during the day, because like the list gets so filled with other streamers that it's like hard to get ranked among them, right? So so a lot of, like, including myself, like all of my subs mostly come from the Asian, or from like the nighttime session. So you know, like that's where a lot of the people start finding me. And then, you know, when I kind of like recommend Nick or you guys, whether you follow me at night and then we're in the mainstream during the day, then you guys see how good of a trader Nick is. It's very obvious that he's somebody you should be watching also, right? So I remember when you started, you're growing. Yeah, I mean, you know, we only had a, you know, like it's been a grind. It's been we're getting close to a year now live on YouTube. So, and I feel pretty blessed to have hit 2,000 subscribers throughout this time. It's definitely a battle. It's a grind. I think if you can find popularity in the Asia session is easier because competition sucks, then take them to New York. It's working, bro. Yeah, it is. It's still hard though, right? Like to get active users to the New York session. It's definitely a challenge. Even considering I have like 2,000 subscribers, I'm like lucky if we get, you know, 20 viewers on the New York session. Because, you know, there's a lot of other firms like, you know, Prop for Match or somebody where they're giving away accounts like all day long. So like people want to watch there because they can have the chance of also winning free accounts, right? And not to mention that, like, you know, Zach's a killer trader, obviously, but among some of the other guys. So it's pretty hard to compete with those bigger channels. So the VWAP is sloping down here. So another option we can be looking for here is if we can get an inversion on this bearish 5-minute candle, or 5-minute fair value gap here. So if we can get a candle closure above this 5-minute, that would be a decent sign that we're going to head maybe back to value area high. I watched a guy who used volume profile and bookmap for scalping trading. He already had maybe 35k subs, but he paid for YouTube ad in one of his volume profile videos. He went from 38k to over 100k subs in a matter of weeks. Oh, really? Wow. This week, Havana Nights brings live Cuban music, mambo and salsa dancing up and down the Valley Mall Parkway, plus beer garden, food trucks, hand-rolled cigars, and pre-1970 vehicles on display. That sounds like a fun little event to go to. Hey, Wrong Trade Jim, how you doing? I think what you do best is keep people wanting to come back to your stream, which might be harder part for some streamers. Now that you have the algo going, should just speed up further. Yeah, I hope so. Yeah, I hope so also. Hey, as I fly, how are you? You're here for Miss K? Why? What did Miss K do? Is she watching you like a cop also, or what? She on you? And she's like, your punishment is you have to come to the stream. Dave, my family loves your dog, Ralph. They say he's cute. Hey, thank you, thank you. I know, I'm kind of putting him in some dog labor. Hey, guys. This is dog labor. I said that to get her attention. Oh, nice. Yeah, who doesn't love Ralph, right, you guys? Pretty hard not to love Ralph. Chop Chop City, I know, Zach. How are you doing, buddy? Haven't seen you in about a week or so, or maybe two. Hopefully all is well. Are you busy working on the sets again?
chat talking while saying no financial statements. Miss the entry by a tick. Pain almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market even. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ sweet, no stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up these basics.
Stacking up these basics.
Band on X cause the Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know that it'd get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong, while the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about KID in trades. Life advice, Mr. Scalp in plays. Someone sold early, now they regret. Man, I should have held. Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little basics.
Yeah, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. on the last of us. Still holding short from 29,533. Currently in drawdown. Just one mini though. Oh, one mini is pretty large, bro.
Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hitting quick. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept. Yeah, that's that script. Stay alive.
Have you met Pedro? Who's Pedro?
We trade again. All right, guys.
You have a strong bearish bias? Well, don't get too focused on the bearish bias.
Hey, what's up? Good evening.
Yeah, mostly us in the stream here. We mostly all trade micros here. So if you're trading a mini, man, you're on the larger size. Tell you one thing though, guys, if we end up inverting this bearish fair value gap, like if we get a closure above sort of 553, we're gonna be probably turning bullish here. But Pedro Pascal, and indeed I have on season 1. Gotcha. 10 micros. Okay, well, yeah, I know, same thing. But it's like, you know, I'm usually trading the, you know, like maybe 4 micros max. Oh, you had to DCA it? Gotcha. Taluni, long 570s from 530s, break even now. Trade doesn't feel good though. Because we're stalling out at the VWAP. It's a bit of a concern, but not the end of the world. You're a micro short, about to add 2 micros if it climbs a little more, which will move my entry up a little. I'll sell on a pullback with a little profit. I'm feeling it might pull higher now. Yeah, just you know, like that's why I'm just being flat here at the moment, because I'm kind of waiting for an inversion on this guy, because now we have 2 conflicting fair value gaps side by side here, so we might end up chopping back and forth between these 2 levels here. But if we can get a closure above, you know, 553, like I was saying, then maybe you can wait for a retest and then go higher here. So this is like one of the first fair value gaps. I mean, this one had a fair value gap there, I guess, but this is a pretty key level up here. So I'd be careful about trying to hold the trade too long either up here. You're a micro trader. I have not graduated to minis yet. Will someday. Soon someday. Yeah, Skeletor, just the thing is, like, there's no room for error when you get into minis, right? When you have $2,000 drawdown, like, one mini can just go boom, take your drawdown in like no time.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. patient, chat talking while saying no financial statements. Miss the entry by a tick. Pain almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market even. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah. 36 bucks, don't waste it. Nah. NQ sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know that it'd get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong, while the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about KID in trades. Life advice, Mr. Scalp in plays. Someone sold early, now they regret. Man, I should've held. Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah, small wins, big losses, that's it. NQ fake you out, then it dips quick, then reverses. Yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kids. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept. Yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. Alright, guys. Couple base hits.
Let's see here. What did I miss? 29,594 to 492 is my range marked out from yesterday's session and today's. Okay. We're going much lower. This is a long that will be trapped once we break the lows of yesterday. Okay, RX. I'm just hoping it flushes to the New York low, not asking too much. Fair, that's fair. We do have these 4-hour bullish fair value gap, 15-minute bullish fair value gap, and I think this guy is an inverted 1-hour bearish was bearish, but it's inverted fair value gap now. So we got a number of potential targets to the downside here. $260 points. Yeah, it's pretty big for Asia though. 243 up to 500. Yeah.
Live, 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see? MNQ on the chart, I'm scalping every move. MES running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight, nah, wait, maybe not. No stop loss. I just wanna blow the account. NQ sweep stops, then it rips back quick. You miss by one tick, yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang, yeah, we don't rush. Base hits only, no fuss. Look at the drop, yeah, chat going wild. Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leveraging. Step 1, don't trade like a savage. Nah, I can't hit by with his bot on the trade down green like, yeah, I planned it that way. I ran news, oil moving strange. Market don't care, still crabbing the range. I slipped on a dog turd today. Bro, what? Chat going off, yeah, we love that stuff. Up 850.
Oh, it's gonna be a quiet stream tonight, guys. Easy peasy fly. I took the midpoint 29,364 instead, please. 364. That's a decent, reasonable target. I could see that happening.
Watch this. Then it go. MNQ on the chart. I'm scalping every move. MES running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight, unless I forget. And I'm sitting there like, why'd I do that? NQ sweep stops, then it rips back quick. You miss by one tick. Yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang, yeah, we don't rush. Market butcher. Base hits only, no fuss. Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade.
Now you wish you added 2 more into that short? Yeah.
We live, 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see? MNQ on the... Yeah. Everybody got a
Eating some blueberries with the pups. Oh yeah, dogs love blueberries. One of the fruits that they're allowed to eat, right? So they love it. Don't blame them. Where's Miss K? I don't know. She's probably just chilling. At least it's gaining momentum now. It looks like it's gaining a little bit of bearish momentum. Yeah, I agree.
I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits. Let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen it fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night.
Sorry guys, I'm a little distracted here. I'm trying to get this affiliate filled out for my funded futures. Getting ready to make a move. Yep. Why is Miss K being arrested? I don't know. Good question. She's making an arrest. She's a cop. You didn't know? No, I'm not patting you down. Good one. Good one. I like that. She's just giving you guys a heads up ahead of time. Like, she's not gonna give you a pat down, by the way. Just so you know.
Dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula. Just you and the chart. Trade your own story.
Hey Keith Smith, how are you? Good evening. It's not a weapon in his pocket. Some people are just happy to see a cop.
Everybody got a story.
You guys.
With the market. Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart. Another night. I walk a lonely chart tonight. The only way to blow and break. Through broken trend lines left behind. Searching for the next setup I find. The VWAP faded far away. The value there is where I'll stay. The market whispers then it lies. Another fake out in disguise. And I know the candle doesn't care about my hopes or my prayers. I'm walking down the boulevard of broken trend lines, where every trader
There we go. I submitted it, guys. Okay. All these spike ups are such light volume and the sell offs are heavy volume. That means a lot of buyers near the top with other buyers, or with other buyers buying on the way down. We're going to dump hard. I know when it's a good time to start trading when I see the candles start to squirm the same way I do when someone tries to control me. Right? Yeah. I like it. I unfortunately have a rebellious nature. I'm up 300 on the night. Time for bed. Good night, all. Hey, Tim. Good job, bud. Good night. My Fun of Futures. Here we go. Really? My volume looks bigger on buys. You know, cumulative volume delta is negative, and it's been going down here on this last push down. So buyers, or the sellers, are definitely winning on the moment. So what do we have here? We had a low of sort of like 83, negative 15. Had a 78 there with negative 1500. This one we had 93. So we're actually, the sellers are okay. So CVD is now lower than it previously was, with price being higher. So that means, what does that mean now? Price is staying up. So that means that buyers are holding the price up, actually, because the sellers are pushing it down, pushing the volume down, but price is staying up. So that means that buyers are actually seem like they're stepping in here to hold this up at the moment. So we'll have to see. I'm not going to just take a trade because of that.
Trend line. The market opens, the market closes, the candles come, the candles go.
Okay, right back up soon, LOL. How old is Ralph? The Ralph is 10 and a half years old, Donnie. He's a bit of an oldie. You're on 5-minute MNQ? Yeah. You ever gone through the ICT mentorship videos from Inner Circle Trading on YouTube? No, I haven't, Eric. I just picked up a couple concepts, and I never really even looked at ICT before, but I picked it up through like Zach Arbucci. So, you know, these fair value gaps, inverted fair value gaps, I like those. And then I like volume profile. I like VWAP. So that's kind of where I've settled now. Spud with a gun from negative 250 to positive 540 in this chop from one mini. Mini needs to be changed to massive. Yeah. Yeah, it should be massive, eh? Because you can really make a lot of money. But you can also lose a lot. I counted 5 rejections at or near VWAP. Luckily, I caught one of them on a short. Nice. Yeah, there's been quite a few. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, a good 5 rejections since we broke to the downside. So good job. Thank you, V6P, J6P. Just chilling for now. Getting ready to go to bed. Yeah, nice. Good job. It's always nice when that happens.
Trend line. FVG VWAP.
Were you on last night? No, I had last night off. Am I going to trade nano futures at Market Butcher? They're going to bring out nano futures? What is that, like 1/10 of a micro or what? I've never even heard this yet. So good morning, happy drug. What? Angia, what are you doing this morning already? What the heck? Where's Klee? Yeah, I haven't seen Klee yet tonight. She'll probably be on at some point. Okay, brother and sister, enjoy the rest of the stream. Trade safe. Good night. Love and peace. Thanks, Skeletor. You have a great night also. Good night. Good night. Oh, they're coming out with those nanos in a couple weeks? Interesting. 8/24 nano? Really? That's pretty small though, don't you think? Zero skills. Watch out, there's a cop here. Yeah, Miss K. Miss K's in the house. It's one thing if there's a lot of buying near the bottom, but most of the buying today is near the top. We spike up on 250 contracts and trade thousands near the top. Nice. Hey man, just tuned in. What's the plan? Currently my plan is to stay flat until we get some sort of price action happening here. We did invert this bullish fair value gap, or have we inverted? Yes, we did invert this bullish fair value gap. So that's a sign that maybe the bears are actually going to be taking over here pretty soon. So we got an inverted fair value gap here. So it is starting to look more bearish, guys. We have this bearish fair value gap above. We have an inverted bullish fair value gap overlapping a bearish fair value gap here. I just personally, I don't want to trade in this range, right? I want to see us get out of this range. So maybe if we can get some nice strong closures below value area low, or if adversely, if the bulls decide to step in and push us back up above, you know, the start of the day VWAP there. So like I was saying, if we can get a closure above 553 or on a closure below value area low would be pretty good. So 1/10 of a micro. Not if you need to flop. This software name? Are you asking about the book map on the left hand side? This is called book map on the left hand side. Akif Khan. 2 MNQ volume spike, 2-minute MNQ volume spike caused sideways action so far? Yeah. You burned 2 evals today and lost 2.5 in your funded case? Oh, geez. Sorry to hear that, Wonder Boy. That's rough. Today's price action was a little bit scary. Could have easily been on the wrong side of the trade on today's price action. It seemed like the best trading, you know, contract would have been as if we could have traded YM. YM seemed like it was one today. Hi Ralph, you okay, bud? You okay? I think Ralph might need a little blankie, guys. I'm gonna throw a blankie on him. I'll be right back.
Trend line. FVG VWAP, back to VWAP, back to me. Frank the Great Pyron sleeps by my side like he knows another trade just died. Ralph the Frenchie starts to snore. He's seen this movie all before. The patience pays for those who see. I'm walking down the boulevard of broken trend lines, where every trader leaves a piece of their mind. The stock gets hit, but tomorrow I'll be fine. On the boulevard of broken trend lines. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. If you ain't ready, NQ dirty, E is clean. The setup always looks obvious after the screen. One more level, one more trade, one more lesson, one more day. Base hits, not glory, just another chapter in the story. We're walking down the boulevard.
So it looks like the Bulls aren't letting go just yet, guys. What the heck? Let's see. How do we got on the volume here? 1 minute left here on this candle.
Of broken trend lines.
But I am going to try a little short here. We'll do one micro. See if we can't ride this back down to the lows here. Maybe going to front run the 500s. Not a whole lot of profit though if I were to get this down. It would be like a 20 point.
Another trend line break.
Go for a little, try to get a little scalpy scalp on a pullback here. This is my first trade of the night there, Angia.
Another stop loss.
Come on, just tag it right away here. Come on, go, go, go. Give it to me. Yes, do it.
Another
Do it.
chart.
Come on. No,
Another night.
you're so close. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful little scalp. Hey, 1 micro, guys. I'm rich. I'm rich. Woo. Oh my God. I'm going to retire now. $37.50, everybody. You saw it here live. Yeah, I stole Gordon's line there. Hey guys, I stole Gordon's line. Today's price action got me. Took some losses. Was disappointed a bit, and then I realized I was still green on the day. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Ralph just doesn't want to relax. Come on, bud. You lie down.
Broken trend line.
He's like, Dad, I'm bored. I'm bored. That was easy, Mooney. I know, right? Ralph, what are you doing? I think he wants dinner, guys. I think he wants dinner. I'm not gonna try this scalp again, though. We already had the one chance there. Oh, he's thirsty. That's why he's thirsty. He had to go get some drinks. Hey, Red, how you doing? Good evening. You're short too?
Broken trend line. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. If you ain't ready, NQ dirty, E is clean. The setup.
Gordon's always rich, hey guys? He's like, I'm rich. I haven't seen Gordon in a minute, actually. Where has he been? Where has Gordon been? You're 5'10"? Okay. That's nice. I had a pretty decent trading session today. Here's my week so far, my month. 3.68k on the month so far. 1180, 910, 487, and 1040 here. 68 bucks on the Sunday. So not a bad week so far. Hopefully I don't screw it up tomorrow. Fridays can be pretty tough sometimes. We got non-farm payroll. I might just take it easy in the funded accounts tomorrow and just not do it, not blow anything. I'm thinking about taking a payout in my TPT account, because my TPT account is up 2,792. So in theory I could take like almost a $700 payout on that one and still leave the $2,100 buffer in there. So Red, you asked if I was short? Well, not me, but that's what I heard. Right? It seems like I haven't changed the song in a minute. Let's do it. Let's get this out of here.
Mustang trader. Trade like an adult. Yeah. Chill. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. That high, that lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. NQ moving mad.
What's with people spreading the rumor that 5'10" is short? LOL, is someone being 5'11". I find that offensive. I think 5'11", 5'10" to 6 feet is pretty good height, I think. What do you guys think? Clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take your stops. Step highs, liquidity sits. Step lows, that we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. We stay calm, cause one more move and it's so wild. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps. Starting to think that maybe he doesn't want the blanket on him. Oh, this one did, it sold off again in that fair value gap, in that inverted fair value gap. That's too tall, sir. Hi. We don't have a choice. Yannick, hey, how are you? Drill, trade, track, rocks, fam. You like this one? You like the drill style track? What about this one? It's a little grimy too, but it's more like West Coast hip hop, or North American hip hop anyways. We don't have a choice. I went on student exchange to Mexico. I'm 5'8". It was cool to be the tall guy. Nice, I like that. That's awesome. I'm the first time user on your channel. Do you go live every day? Sorry if this is a repeat question for you. Hey, no problem at all. I do stream Monday to Friday, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for roughly 2 to 3 hours, depends on how the market is treating us that day. And I'm also live Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, 10:30 p.m. until 3 hours basically. So 10:30 p.m. for about 3 hours, so 11, 12, 1:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sometimes almost 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Mustang trader. Market butcher. Another Sunday. Another Globex.
I think it's almost time that we make another song from the comments in the chat. What do you guys think? So if you guys have any funny, cool comments you want to throw out there, now's the time. So I think we're going to get some funny comments about Miss K being a police officer. And so if you guys have any funny things to say in the chat, now's the time. So I'm going to copy the chat. We're going to send it over to ChatGPT to turn it into a song. So you heard it here. It'll be a live one. Is her cover blown? There you go. Any other funny comments? Let's go. Let's make a song about Miss K. Sure, yeah. Miss K the cop. Or should we say like Ice Agent, or Miss K the undercover cop? Maybe Miss K the undercover cop. Why do men make better cooks? With 1 sausage and 2 eggs, they can fill a belly for 9 months. Oh, Red, he is a funny guy. She does enjoy working undercover. Under the covers. Oh, no, undercover. Oh, sorry. Yabba dabba doo. Not that I know about that. 8 hours of trading to be back where I started. Damn. So you traded 8 hours today, and then you were in profit, and now you're back to flat, or what? Dave making his own jokes out of someone else's. Hey, we got 72 people watching tonight. The market is pretty slow. It seems like we're not going to get a whole ton of viewers tonight, just because when market is like this, guys, people aren't that interested in trading, so they're not really hanging out, which is all good. I mean, we're good. We like hanging out regardless, right? What does a dead body weigh? I don't know. So guys, if you haven't hit that like button, I'd appreciate it if you did. We're trying to get to 75 likes. When we get up to 75 likes, we'll run that giveaway. So if you guys don't know, if you're new to the channel, head over to the Discord, right? Click the pinned comment in the chat there. That'll take you to the Discord. Once you're in the Discord, here, I'll show you guys real quick. This is a Discord here. Head over to the Discord. You're going to land in the general channel, and then just go over here to the giveaway entry. So 2 ways to do it. One, either scroll to the top all the way up, or on the top right hand side, there's a little button called the pinned message button. Click that link. That'll bring up this little window here, and basically what it says, we're giving away prop trading accounts live. How to enter. Join the Discord, fill out the entry form below, and be present during the live stream. So here's a link. It's a Google Docs form. All you got to do is plug in your information, and you'll be entered in all of the Sunday giveaways for the rest of the month. So we replace this form roughly once a month. If the Sunday ends just into the new month, the most recent Sunday, we usually leave the form for that Sunday, and then we'll pop in a new one. So I usually try to tell everybody when there's a new one. So we pick the winners on Sunday. You must be present in the stream, and another rule is that you have to be from a country that allows you to trade with Lucid. And then the last requirement is that you can only win one Sunday in a row. So if you're entered and you win on this Sunday, the following Sunday you won't be able to win. You have to wait till the one after that to be able to win again. Okay, so if you do that, head over to Discord, fill that out. You'll get into the giveaway for a 25k Lucid Flex account. And then once we hit 75 likes on the stream, I'm gonna post another form in the chat here. I'll post another form in the chat here so that you guys can enter in tonight's race. And what tonight's race would be for is if you win tonight, you'll win an extra duck into the Sunday giveaways. Now you keep these ducks for 6 weeks. So if you win 1 duck, you got 6 weeks worth of extra duck entries. Just so keep that in mind, guys. So once we hit 75 likes, I'll post a form in the YouTube chat. You'll just click on that link, fill out the form. If you win the race, one of the races tonight, I give about 3 ducks roughly on these evening streams. You'll have an extra duck into the Sunday race. Let's see here. Hey, welcome to the stream first time though, Philip. Appreciate you tuning in, and hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all, you know? But I appreciate the comment there about the cool stream. Just babying a funded account, but it's kind of humorous how it can work. Sometimes we're thankful to be break even after all that time, lol. Hey, you gotta be, you know, content with what you can get, right? A skeleton? Oh, okay. What's a dead body weigh? A skeleton? A skeleton. Okay, gotcha. She's one of those cops who perps asked to take a sobriety test. Hello, how do you turn songs using ChatGPT? Well, basically I copy all the comments in the chat, and then I upload that into ChatGPT and I ask it to turn it into a song. Then what I do is I take that song and I go over to Suno, which is an AI song making platform, and then upload it into there, the song that ChatGPT made, and then that'll turn it into a song. So I made no baked cookies since no one helped me decide I'm not sharing. All right. You said type in your weird comments. Suddenly people's dark sides come out. Wrong type of weird. You're short at 570. Any guesses for non-farm payroll? Philip, I personally don't like to try to predict that far ahead. You know, I don't have a crystal ball, so I'm not going to try to suggest what non-farm payroll is going to do to the market tomorrow, or what the outcome would be for that. So that's just how I like it. I like to trade, you know, relatively recent price action, right? Make my decisions off of that. So 2-minute MNQ hammer with a demand tail long on high volume. That is a pretty strong candle, eh? Tradeify stole your duck race idea? Really? What did they do in now? One volatile alternative. What do you mean? You have a Philip Bonner. You have a target? Hey, when do you go live? I go live every day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for roughly 2 to 3 hours, depending on how the market is. And then also Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday nights from 7:30 p.m. on until, 10:30 p.m. on until about 1:30 a.m. Someone is really desperate to hold the market up. The bids on the NQ are ridiculous. It jumps 3 to 4 points on the next tick. Yeah, there you go. Hi Dave, good trade. Hey, thanks Wilson. Trade Mecca, you're welcome. Must be Trump. Yeah. Don't be lazy. Hit the like button. Thanks, Miss K. Thanks, Miss K. Come on, bro. What are you doing? You got it. Lucid wanna count. Slow consistency is what it's about. Everybody wants to pay out today. Nobody wants to learn the patient way. Globex open, volume thin. Still enough for disciplined traders to win. One good setup, all that we need. Not 50 trades fueled by greed. Who you calling a quacker? Okay, I'm gonna copy the comments here on the chat, and I'll upload that, as many comments as I can grab here. Upload these to ChatGPT and get it to make a song for us.
trader. No crystal balls, no magic indicators. Just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex.
Let's change this song up real quick before. Let's go down to the W's in the chat, guys.
Market butcher. You already know. First payout. W's in the chat. Let's go. W's in the chat. Coffee in the cup, charts already mapped. Waiting on confirmation, don't fall in the trap. NASDAQ nasty, but we're staying composed. One clean setup, then the profits explode. Liquidity taken, order flow clean. Trading like a boss, you know what I mean. Patient pays better than chasing the move. When the setup confirms, we got nothing to prove. Everybody waiting, nobody blinks. One candle closes, now everybody thinks. 3, 2, 1, set it! W's in the chat. First payout landed, mono candle activated. Everybody chanting, Tradeify, Lucid, blue sky to take profit.
All of a sudden, everyone in the chat wants to get arrested. You put me on the spot and I froze. Flat long W. TG wears a duck hat. LOL. That's above and beyond. They use a duck race that you use to select winners. TG wears a duck hat and does the race commentator. I think you did it first though. Well, you know, I've seen lots of people use duck races before in other streams, so it's definitely not my I'm not trying to claim that it's my idea or my you know what I mean. But thanks for that. Market Butcher is over 6 feet, but what does he weigh? Meat? Because he's a butcher. Nice. One volatile alternative. Time to draw a support and resistance level on the range and just wait for it to break. This is ridiculous. Yeah, we're looking pretty bearish though at the moment.
Confirmation, no formal, no guessing, just execution. One setup, one trade. One payout. W's in the chat. Everybody screaming. Charts looking clean, accounts still dreaming. Lucid trading, Tradeify, blue sky, we're flying high. Take profit, trader, E8 markets too. Every payout season, something brand new. Market butcher chat, the best around. Positive vibes, with a winning sound. Lambo's waiting, rocket ignites. See you all on the moon tonight. One more payout.
Okay, we got the song, guys. I'm gonna post it here. Or I'm gonna put it into Suno, and then we'll see how this song turns out here. It's looking okay. I just quickly went over the lyrics, and it seems all right. We've been bearish since 8 a.m. PST this morning. LOL. Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yeah. Market butcher. You already know.
I do have to make a little edit though, because I saw the way that it put the name in there that seemed a little weird, so I need to.
W's in the chat. Coffee in the cup, charts already mapped. Waiting on confirmation, don't
Noi as I.
but we're staying composed.
everybody chanting. Tradeify, Lucid, blue sky too. Take profit, trader, E8 coming through. Payouts galore, stacking them higher. Rocket to the moon, never getting tired. W's in the chat, light it all up. Market butcher family, we never give up. Hey! Liquidity, take it. Take it. Respect it. Trend confirmed. Bold candle. Activated. Bulls take the stairs, bears take the elevator. Every pullback, just another money maker. Gold is heavy. Nasdaq's mean when the take gets crazy. We stay routine, take profit edge, don't get greedy. One more candle, now we're eating. No revenge trays. That's
Okay, got that good. I just need the prompt.
waiting, confirmation. No formal, no guessing, just execution. One setup, one trade. One payout.
Okay, prompt is in here.
Everybody screaming. Charts looking good.
And let's create the song.
Lucid trading. Tradeify. Blue sky. We're flying high. Take profit, trader, E8 markets too. Every payout's easy. Something brand new. Market butcher chat. The best around. Positive vibes. With a win.
All right, there we go. Guys, let's support the channel by showing some love and hitting the like button. It's free. Thank you, One Volatile Alternative. It's crazy. I've never been here before. First time in your chart. Looks crazy similar to mine, just more simple. Nice. Hey, it's always good to find someone who, you know, that has a similar style to you. So it's always good. Definitely short. Nice, nice. Welcome. Yeah, welcome. Catch 'em slipping. I like your name too. That's killer, killer. Like and subscribe. It's fun here. Yeah, especially with Ryan Entourage in the house. It's always good. It's always good times. Yeah, it does look super bearish. Okay, let's see how long I got. Those songs are being made right now, guys. So we'll have to play it here in a minute. We'll see how these new ones come out. Let's listen to some NQ Trickery.
Another crack, it ain't cute, don't go dark. Tell the closer, left him
Yeah, it always pumps out 2 at a time. Like whenever you give it a prompt and everything, it'll like make 2 at the same time. So then that's why I usually like I gotta pick one of them that I'm gonna like save onto, you know, onto the StreamYard. Ralph just really can't stay still tonight. Hey guys, where are you going, man? Try it.
Now I'm watching for the head faking, waiting for the real thing to show. Let the tape talk. I've been dodging NQ trickery.
He's like, what am I gonna do here? Oh, okay, I'm gonna put my head down.
Candle stop the print right where the stops were placed. Maybe edge was never forced at all.
Everybody wants to see Ralph's face. All right, the Bears are taking over here a bit. Let me think. What am I going to trade here? What account? I'm up 96 in the top 1 futures. I do have this funded account I could try. Blue Sky Propel. My Blue Sky launch is up 514. The fireplace turned off, guys. I need to turn it back on. What the heck? Where's Wayne? Wayne, you didn't ask for the volume profile to show better. There we go. One more trade. I really like this song, guys. This was by Nightbuild Audio. You guys, a bunch of you guys have probably followed him, so change your fire. The piece of wood that never stops burning, right? Post 9,000, Ryan Entourage pumping to that 333 level and then dumping down, hopefully. You guys are talking about gold, I'm assuming? Hey, no, I'm just joking, Wayne. I'm just joking about it. Usually you want to see it though. -2 deviation span, 29,478. Yeah, I do pay for it, trade, because trade Maca, just because I've been using it a lot for the streams and stuff, so I just figured it's better to pay for it, and then I'm not restricted by how many songs I can make and whatever, right? And what the features I can use. So was blind tonight without volume. Yeah.
Carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to
Okay, looks like it's done.
time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way.
So far, I like these songs pretty decent.
Sooner or later, nobody walks alone. Watch promises fade.
It's like somebody better find Gordon.
Conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line. I don't wish the worst on
Okay, I'm gonna download both of these guys. You can, I'll play them both, and then we'll decide which one you guys like better.
turning whether fast or slow. And every seed becomes the crop you grow.
No, it's I'm listening to it off the stream so far, so I haven't downloaded it yet. So I just wanted to give it a quick test before I bothered putting it up on the stream, right? So media assets, add more music, add music here, downloads.
Yesterday still remembers the game. Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge, living rent free in my head.
Pumping here off value area low.
Then the words unsaid.
CVD is climbing a bit here. We do have a buy volume ball there. 50 contracts, 2488 or 29488. Sorry. All right, let's see here, guys. Tell me what you think about this song.
NASDAQ open.
Here we go.
Market butcher on the screen. Wayne's watching volume. Jerry's watching candles. And somebody.
These are this is sort of the developing point of control. Catch 'em slipping. So this is called visible range volume profile. So basically it adjusts by whatever is on your chart. So if I put it to like the start of the session, it'll show me where the point of control, the value area high, value area low is. This is the point of control. That's value area high. This value area low. We're currently below value area low, by the way.
Red candle, NASDAQ doing something scandalous. Volume pumping, candle squirm. Jerry says that's when it's time to learn.
Try my visible range volume profile, bro. You have a special one, XZ concepts? Like you have your own indicator? Is that what you're saying?
that nasty. Wait for confirmation, don't get flashy. Bulls take the stairs, bears elevator down. Market with your chat is the best around. Tim Corth up 300 says time for bed, while half of the chat is still seeing candles in their head. Spud went negative 250, then positive 540.
Call that thing a mini.
Nah, that mini's massive.
So also, guys, I haven't done this yet today or recently. I do have a little website with some swag, so if you guys are interested in supporting the channel in a different way, come on over to the marketbutchertrades.com. I got the Market Butcher Collection 001. VWAP is king here, so I have you know, a shirt, a sweater, a cap, a couple different colors. I got a coffee cup, and I also have a large mouse pad. It's kind of like a desk pad. It's like one of those ones where you put your keyboard and your mouse on it. So if you or you know somebody who might be interested in getting some swag, maybe some trading gear that mostly nobody understands what it means except for us, check it out. I did put a lot of effort into making this website and to designing this this clothing. As you can see, I'm wearing one of the shirts right here. I got the hat on, and then I also have the sweater here. Pretty good quality. Also, you know, VWAP is king on the back, because you know we're making money using the VWAP. So I would have picked up a mouse pad, but I already have a pretty decent one that I don't really need to replace it just yet. So I'm still waiting for the coffee cup to arrive. So I'll show you guys that when it does arrive here. But if you guys are looking for a gift for somebody who trades, or maybe a little gift for yourself, marketbutchertrades.com, check it out. Show us the undies. That isn't a joke. What's the largest rodent? I don't know. What's the largest rodent? Capybara? Okay. Can we do a duck race for a shirt? Might be hard for me to mail it to other countries with the whole tariff nonsense. And it's print on demand, so I would have to, yeah, I don't have any shirts here. I would have to order some in. So giant sloth. So it's a capybara pad. It's okay. Okay, it's a giant sloth pad. Yeah. Hey, Catch 'em Slippin', thank you for that. I did put a lot of effort into that clothing, man. Seriously, I spent like probably between 10 and 12 hours total just designing the clothing, like designing the images and everything. So, but you know, pass, not win, sorry. Oh, if I pass these 3 evals, I'll buy a cup and a hoodie. Hey, thanks, bro. Candle squirm, yeah.
Philip says, first time here. Wonder Man asks, you live every
Philip
day.
says,
Wilson says, good trade, Dave. Welcome to the stream. Trade safe. Wait for confirmation. Respect the VWAP. And remember, sometimes 8 hours
Jerry's candle squirm.
gets you exactly where you started. W's in the chat.
W's in the chat.
Let's trade night.
So that was one version. Here's the other version.
Market Butcher on the screen. Wayne's watching volume. Jerry's watching candles.
What are the songs?
Somebody better find gold.
These are the same. I'll post them both right now since I have them easy to upload.
W's in the chat. Let's trade. Let's trade.
I swear the ones that I make from the chat just always come out the best.
Bits come flying, messing with the chart. Wayne sees the spy. Big boys active. 2-minute MNQ, now the whole chat's reactive. Skeleton counting rejections of VWAP.
Hey, Randall Paul. Hey, you got a new image on your profile there. Awesome. You looking killer, bro. Be proud. Your hard work is dope, dude. Hey, thank you for that. I appreciate that. It was very nice. So I'll upload those 2 songs into the 2 new ones into the Discord. under the AI song channel.
Chat is the best around. Tim calls up 300, says time for bed, while half of the chat is still seeing candles in their head. Spud went negative 250, then positive 540. That thing a mini? Nah.
Yes, I do have a video on YouTube. It's a pretty long one. I probably need to break it down into multiple videos, but if you can kind of like maybe just save it and go through it over time. It kind of, there's a bunch of basic stuff you could probably speed up through. It's kind of like a bunch of stuff on like how to set up your trading view and basic stuff about trading view, but then I do go into like the indicators and how I trade off of it. A couple examples. I have a new trade that I just caught like a couple days ago that I'm going to turn into a video. It's about how to trade an inverted fair value gap. So I'm making that one. I got a couple other on the go, but it's just hard finding the time to get the song or the videos out. Let me just I'll link you that one though.
That's too tall, sir. None of this makes sense. Donnie went to Mexico 5-8 feeling to all. Meanwhile, we're supposed to be trading. After all, Ryan's laughing, Dave stealing somebody's joke. NASDAQ moving 20 points while the whole chat's broke. Then zero skills.
No, like your image looks different though, Randall. Like I've never seen it look like that. So there's the there's one video and it's about how I set up TradingView, the indicators, and also a couple trade examples. And then there's also, I do have this other guy, Mastering Fair Value Gaps video. I'll post you that one too. It's another little one that you can check out that shows how I traded an inverted fair value gap. You had your stop too tight? Ooh, what a volatile candle there. It must have been the hourly candle. Or is it 2100 candle? Oh, so it looks like our midnight open price is like right on value area low.
Now we're feeling
Big boys active. Wayne's comments in there. Big boys active.
Big boys active.
Big boys active. Jerry Candles Squirm. Appreciate you, brother. I used the SD2 on the VWAP, daily VWAP, to mean reversion trade. It works when I take my losses. Gotcha. Very nice. What's up, Rafa? Okay, I have to head out. Okay, night hit build. Have a great night. Thanks for all the good music there, everybody. If you guys haven't had a chance, head over to Night Build Audio's channel. You can see in the chat there. Just search his name. You'll be able to find his channel. He's got a bunch of good AI songs in there too. So let's see here. Nice. Can't wait for the video on the inverted fair value gap. Yeah, I think the newer one that I'm gonna put out, I was working on it today, putting it together. It's a live trade that I took. I made 650 on it, I think it was, into like copy traded on 2 accounts. So I'll show you guys that one. That was a pretty good one. I'll get that out pretty soon. When I get antsy, I do that. Bites me in the butt 9 out of 10 times. Down again. It's moving. 456 bounce, or this market sucks. Yeah, I mean, this market is pretty crappy. Hit all your TPs. Locked in 2483 on my TPT accounts. Nice job, Phil. Look at this guy. Killing it. Killing it.
FVG.
Green Delta, red candle, Nasdaq doing something. Candle squirm, Jerry says.
Still have a trade open with your top step. Nice. Thanks for the NQ. Thanks NQ for the 456 bounce. Covered your short at 458. Will reshort in the mid 480s. Nice trade there. RXLX VIII. I've been in a trade since 4 p.m. to snipe the top of that purple box at the bottom of your screen. Up 5K, aiming for 14K. Really? You sniped this, like this one here in this area? That's crazy. We're going to 200, you think? I mean, we could definitely. I could see that. We've been proven that we're pretty bearish here, guys. We rejected off this bearish fair value gap. We had a bullish fair value gap there, which we inverted, and we left a bearish one there. So we're pushing down and we're leaving bearish fair value gap. So it's definitely looking bearish. Just keep in mind, we do have this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So somewhere in this area could be the bounce. And then I have a long-term trend line here, which you can see. It's from, let's see here. Is it the diamond? Let's see. Let me get back to the 4-hour chart here. Yeah, so it's a top of a trend line here on this channel. So this could be a support area if we're gonna like continue this bounce higher. So it's kind of interesting that we broke out above the trend line and then now we're finding support right on it. So maybe we're gonna be heading higher here in the not too distant future anyways.
Watch out, there's a cop here.
Watch out, there's a cop here, guys. Miss K.
Yojim says she likes working undercover. Then quickly adds,
Shot out of a bearish delta above us, so any meme levels below there usually get bought up back to the area of the bullish delta. Gotcha. Blurred. 2 minute shakeout with the volume. Dip buying, I hope. Oh snap, about to hit. No problem, yes. First time tuning in, can I wait till today's event? Lastly, do you guarantee the right direction during the event? What do you mean, can I wait until today's event? And do I guarantee? I don't guarantee anything on this channel, bro, except for a fun time. If you want to hang out and have a good time, that's guaranteed. This looks strong. Yeah, it does. That's pretty strong off the channel, top of the channel. So got short 485, looking for 300, but I'll probably go to 200. Gotcha. Miss Special K, can I send you a screenshot of what I got going on my screen? Yeah, for sure. In the Discord, you can would love to see it over there. Trader Higgs, what? I was wondering what that trend was. Ah, okay, nice. Yeah, it's a long-term trend line. Guaranteed. Yeah, the dude's from India, of course. Yeah.
Wilson says, good trade, Dave.
They like to get those get the support on from the streamers, right? Like, what are we gonna do here? Look at this push here, guys. Now we're gonna have to watch this fair value gap, guys. If this inverted fair value gap and this bearish fair value gap gets inverted here, the bulls are really back in action here. The volume is okay. We're about halfway through this candle. Let's just say it doubles that volume. It's gonna be a high volume candle. So 2 pretty high volume candles in a row here. So this could be the moment where the bulls start stepping in here. We find support 29,450. We had a buy volume ball, 80 contracts up there at 489.
W's in the chat. Let's trade. Let's trade.
W's in the chat. Let's trade. Okay, we played those songs for too long. Look at this thing just going here, guys. Like 450 to 512, so 60 points straight up here. On the last two candles, right? Yeah, 455 all the way to 510. TP on long, TP1 on long. I was dip buying from the big boys. Man, my high hit rate strat flashed by 2. Should have added more, could have made much more on that. Oh, interesting. So you had an indicator, kind of like an added confluence indicator, and MGC's catching a bid. Oops, let's go back. Let's take a quick look at MGC here. Oh yeah, wow. Pretty bullish here, down from 290s up to 326. 35 points up. That's a lot of money. 35 is can make you a lot of money. Wow. Oops, I keep hitting the wrong button here. So just be careful here, guys. If this thing doesn't want to go any higher here, this could be sort of the area we get rejected. It might head up to the VWAP and get rejected, but just be careful. You got 80% hit rate, 4.2 profit factor, M1 strategy, solid conditions right now. Oh, good. They're struggling at the high volume node. There's been a lot of resistance here. First off, we left a bullish fair value gap there, and then we inverted it. Then we tapped into it a couple times, and we left a bearish fair value gap, and then now another one here. You want VWAP, Wayne? Nice. That's your TP number 2 or what? Hey, people are piling into the stream a little bit more now. We got 128. How are we doing on the likes, guys? Once we get up to 75, we're gonna do that duck race here for an extra duck race. We're at 53. So we need about 22 more likes, and then we'll get that duck race on the go. We got 132 people in here. We should be able to hit that pretty easily. So if you guys are new to the channel and you are looking to get in on some Lucid funded Flex account giveaways, here's the Discord. Head over, you'll land in the once you get in the Discord from the pinned comment section there, you'll go into the general chat, head over to the giveaway channel here, giveaways entry. Either scroll to the top or hit the little button on the top right corner here. You can barely see it beside the QR code, but it says pinned messages. Click that link. It'll drop down the pinned message. There's where the Google Docs form is. Just click that link, fill out the Google Docs form. You'll be entered into all of the Sunday giveaways for the rest of the month. We do change this guy once a month after sort of the last Sunday of the month, or if the last Sunday of the month is like very early in the next month, it'll be after one of those ones. So and usually I'm pretty good about telling you guys if it's been changed. So if you haven't recently filled it out, head over there, fill that out, because it's a new form. And also if you're new, head over there, fill it out. So that'll get you entered into every Sunday's Lucid 25K Flex giveaway. I only get about 4 accounts per week or per month to give away. So I'm doing them every Sunday just so you guys can be there. It's kind of like, I feel like it's a fairest day because most people have Sundays off. Now for tonight, as soon as we hit 75 likes in the stream, I'm going to post another form in the chat, the YouTube chat. Just fill out that form and you'll get entered into tonight's duck race. Now, if you win tonight's duck race, you're going to get an extra duck race into the Sunday races, and that duck will last for 6 weeks. So if you win, you'll have 2 ducks in the Sunday race, as long as you fill out the form on Discord also, for all the upcoming Sunday races. And then that way, it just increases your odds of winning. And I tried to come up with a way, since I don't have a lot of accounts, to sort of say thank you for supporting the stream through the week. I wish I could just give accounts out every week, every day of the week. That would be awesome, but I'm not quite at that level anymore. And thanks to you guys using my discount codes, especially with Lucid, because they're the main one that I get supported from. You know, they give me some accounts, so thanks to you guys, I just pay them all back to you guys. I apply and ask for more, they give it to me, and I give them right to you guys. So thank you for the support, I appreciate it. Glasses are getting a little smudged. There we go.
New day. New edge. Here we go.
65, only need 10 more likes, guys. Thank you for that. That was quick. We got a bunch there. I don't know. What do you guys think? We did pull back there, but then we just bounced straight up. So, volume, a little bit of lower volume on the pullback, so that's always good for the bulls. So, boss main. So there's two things. One is if you want to get in on the Sunday giveaway for the entry, for the Sunday, like to win the account on Sunday, you got to go in the Discord and fill it out in the giveaway channel. There's a form, and then today. So, Trader Higgs, the form on the Discord is specifically to get you a guaranteed entry into all the Sunday giveaways. That's the one on Discord. Now, as soon as we hit 75 likes on the stream, I'm going to post another form in the YouTube chat. And then once that is posted in the YouTube chat, just click that link, fill it out, and that'll be for tonight's race. So the one that's on the Discord is specifically one time fill it out, and you'll be entered into all the Sunday giveaways. And then once we hit 75 likes, I'll post the one in the YouTube chat. Once you fill that one out, then you'll be entered into tonight's race. You win tonight's race, that'll give you a second duck for the Sunday giveaway. And you can even win, you know, if you win tonight and you win Thursday, you'll get 2 more. So you end up having 3 ducks into the Sunday giveaway. Yeah, it looks like we're heading back to the VWAP. You're welcome, boss man. Boss main in the house. What do we got on the book map here? Looks like we have mostly below, but they did pull some off here. We had a bunch of orders there at 450. Looks like they pulled a little bit off. Seems like we're getting a bit of resistance here. We got orders up at 25 and up to looks like to 530, 525 to 530, 520 to 530 probably. Yeah, it looks like we got some sellers trying to put some pressure here right at like 515 area. 513, 515. Not a whole lot above. Like, where's our real draw on liquidity here? I don't know. Maybe 30,000 still has a bunch. We have 111 contracts up there, but to be honest, it looks like we're a little heavier to the downside. That doesn't necessarily mean we're going to go anywhere. Usually, if the market is pretty directional, it'd be a little more clear by having more orders above or more orders below. So I think it's because the market's been so choppy. Even the algos don't even know where to put their orders at this moment. So.
The edge. Consistency, the
That was a nasty rejection, yeah. Again, we're in this inverted fair value gap and a bearish fair value gap. So what we need to see now is a closure above sort of like 528, 530 area would be nice. If we can get a 5-minute candle closure above there. Do we have any 15-minute fair value gaps on the top side here? Not really. All the way up here, 29,662, which was kind of the resistance that we tapped into in the New York session there. We've been in a range for 3 days, slowly building value lower. My guess is we break up towards 29.5, 29.7 or lower to... All right, GLaDOS. Yeah, I mean, definitely one of those is going to happen. Yeah, we've been in a bit of a long-term bearish situation until recently when we had that push up. So I'm still feeling like we're in an okay situation if the bulls want to still hold, right? So if the bulls are in general are still here, like we're still in a pretty decent situation even with the pullbacks that we've had compared to where we were at the lows, right? So we pumped up really nicely since these lows here. So as long as we can stay above 28,800, 28,700, I would say we're still in bullish territory. Could potentially just measure it from here. So 29,210. And again, like I said, we're on this trend line here and we've been holding it. So kind of have to lean bullish at the moment still. No guarantees, but at the moment, that's just my personal vibe, not financial advice or anything, but we just need to get a candle closure above these fair value gaps here, which would really tell us we're going to go higher. Maybe what we need is a strong closure above 29,553. You put it in general? Oh, nice. Yeah, I see your nice trend line there. Similar trend line. We got some fair value gaps. And you got like a VWAP with standard deviation bands. I see. And look at this. He's up 1485 on 4 minis. Nice, dude. Nice. I hope that trade plays out for you, dude. Wow. Wowza. Nice, nice. Good luck. Good luck. Yeah, it does look like yours when I zoom out. Like I have the... Although, I think you have a trend line off of this guy, right? But still. Isn't that a short snipe? Literally looked like a screen when I went over your zoom in out like that. Nice. Yeah, giant short. Nice.
Looking for
The secret is born.
My B, that's what I should have said. LOL, still learning. Nice, yeah. They are places where we are retest fair value. Yeah. Oh yeah, fair enough, fair enough. GLaDOS. What a fun Asian session. Managed to hit 120 point target on MNQ. Thought I'd... No, it did take 3 trades. Oh, nice. You locked in 120 points on 3 trades? Beautiful. Like 3 40-point trades? That's awesome, Zar. Yeah, today's definitely one of those days if you're trading the channel or the range, could have definitely had some nice success. Hey, pretty sweet, guys. We did gain some subscribers tonight. We were at 2,021. We're now at 2,036. So a nice 15 subscribers tonight. I appreciate the support, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that bell notification to all so you don't miss any of the future streams or content that I put out. And double check if you are a subscriber to the channel. I did get a bunch of people mentioning that their notification bell got switched from all to personalized. So it would take a moment there, just take a quick look and double check to make sure it's set on all, because I don't know why, but maybe the algorithm changed it. But yeah, thanks for the support, guys. I appreciate it. How we doing on the likes? We got to be pretty close now. We're getting up to 75 here. Okay, we got 79, so I'm gonna get that form going here. Where is the form? Okay, here we go. New form.
Everybody says it's manipulation. Everybody got an explanation. Dark pools, fake breaks, liquidity, heartbreak. Blame the market, blame the whale, blame the headline, blame retail, blame the boss that never sleeps. Still the losses are run deep. Every chart will tell the truth. If you trade with patience too, risk is small and winners grow. That's the only edge I know. Slow it down.
Wait your turn. This is something learn.
Market makers stole my trade, liquidity rate, another payday. But I learned the hardest way. Discipline is here to stay. Take the setup, trust the plan. Don't be Superman. 1% is all I need. Consistency is key.
Okay, I just published the form here, so I'm gonna drop this in the chat, guys. So take a moment now and fill out this form in the chat. That'll get you entered into tonight's duck race. Once you're in the duck race for tonight, you'll get a chance to win a duck, and you'll have an extra duck into the Sunday giveaway. So check out the little comment that I just posted there in the chat. Fill that form out, and you'll get your chance at winning a duck into the Sunday giveaways. Yo, it's Mac though. Good evening. Mac in the house. If you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you head over to the Discord, head into the giveaway channel, fill out the form there, and get your entries into the Sunday 25K Lucid Flex account giveaway. And then on top of that, as you can see, I just posted a form in the YouTube chat. That'll get you an entry into tonight's race. If you win tonight, you're going to win a duck. If you win a duck tonight, you're going to have more than one duck in the Sunday race, as long as you fill out the form on Discord. You filled out the form for the duck? Nice, nice. It's Mac. If you haven't gone to the Discord, head over there too, and go into the giveaway channel. There's a pinned comment in the giveaway channel at the very top of the channel, and fill that form out there too. That'll give you an entry into all of the Sunday races. So I have 4 Lucid Flex 25K accounts that I'll be giving away every Sunday evening for the rest of the month. So just head over there, fill that form out. That'll get you, you have to fill it out one time per month, and you'll be entered into all of the Sunday races. And then if you end up winning a race, you know, during the week, one of these duck races during the week, you'll have like an extra duck. So maybe you'll have 2, maybe you'll have 3 ducks that'll race for you in the 25K flex giveaways. 139 people here watching in YouTube, 5 people in X. Thanks everybody. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. We did cross the 75 likes, so we got the form in the chat, so make sure you fill that one out. 81 likes now, and did we get 21? We had 2021. We're now at 2041 subscribers. So 20 subscribers tonight. Thanks guys. I just looked back and look at that. We got another whole whack of new subscribers. So thank you for the support guys. I appreciate it. Good to see y'all. Sorry that the market isn't very good. I took one small trade today. I shorted on one of these guys right here. I'll show you here. We'll go to my Blue Sky Propel account. Go down to the 1 minute chart. Basically, this was my trade here that I took. I shorted here on this guy right up at 29,521 and took profit down here at right at the 500. So a quick $40 winner. Basic one little micro. Just not loving the price action, so I'm not really looking to take too many trades here. Not really putting on too much size. Just isn't my forte trade in this kind of price action. Not my favorite anyways. We'll see though. You never know. We might get a little bit of momentum here coming up soon. We did pull off the highs or off the lows here pretty strong. So be interesting here to see. We got the midnight open price value area low and a bullish fair value gap all lined up here. Could be a potential entry. You want to race me, Mac? OG Mac and Cheese in the Discord. Nice. This guy's got the best names here. It sounds like a cannabis strain. OG Mac and Cheese. You're out here?
One more candle. Here we go.
Green candles got me feeling like a king tonight. Charts clean and every setup looking right. One more breakout, one more perfect call. Till the market flips and takes it all. Watching futures like the screen. Living every trader's dream. One click later, what a ride. Now I'm praying for the
Time we got here. We'll probably leave that form up here for about another 10 minutes and we'll get the just go into the general chat, in the giveaway channel, and then hit the pinned comment or scroll to the top of that channel and you'll see there's another form, a separate form on the pinned comment in the top of the giveaway entry channel. You're doing great tonight, man. Really shined since I've been in your Discord. The notification beep keeps going crazy, growing, dude. What a great day, night. Stay blessed, my guy. Carrying good energy. Hey, thank you for that. Thank you. I appreciate that. That's actually one of the most comments that I get in the channel is like that we like your vibe or your energy. So I just try to keep it live. You know, some of these nights we're just hanging out. And I appreciate talking to the chat while we're dealing with this kind of like choppy market. It's just not the best market to be trading, obviously. So we're keeping the size down. We're trying to be responsible traders and not do anything crazy here. So if I can promote anything on these nights when it's like this is to just stay flat. I mean, that's a great lesson in general, right? So We don't need to always be in a trade, right? Flat is a position, so it's you know, it's good to be flat, you know. The Sunday race, Ryan? Yeah. Discord has an entry for Sunday race, which is the account giveaway. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, I wish I had more accounts to give away. I would love to give one away like every night, but it's just maybe eventually as we scale up the channel more and we, you know, I start getting more discount codes used, like for Lucid or for other firms, then hopefully I can request some more accounts. But right now they're only really giving me basically like 4 accounts every month, so I just kind of been spreading it out every Sunday. I wish I had, you know, 10 accounts to give away a month. That would be awesome. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. You got that stoic vibe, but at the same time, good conversations too. Great balance. Hey, thanks, Jerry. It's all because of you guys. You know, you keeping me busy, keeping me active, keeping me involved. So I appreciate it. Ralph just crashed. Hey guys, look at him. He's got his face mashed down. Good thing he's got this tiny little nose. Super chill vibes. Just now stumbled upon the stream. Hey, thanks. Yeah, we've been slowly grinding our way up. You know, we recently just hit 2,000 subscribers, so the channel's just continually growing. So I appreciate any of the support you guys are giving me. It's awesome being here, hanging out with you guys. So appreciate it. I'm okay with Top Step in the Fivers, but not Lucid because they hate Vietnam. Oh, sorry about that. I don't have Top Step affiliate, and I don't have the Fivers. I only have Lucid, Tradeify, Top One Futures, E8 Markets, and Blue Sky so far. I just requested an affiliate with My Funded Futures, and I'm gonna have to retry again with Take Profit Trader because I really want TPT. Yay, FN Trades in the house. What's up, brother? Yo, Butcher Gang, how's trading been tonight, man? I've taken one trade, and I'm up $40. So not really loving the price action, trying to stay flat pretty much. So you'll be one day, you the man, trust. Hey, thanks, catch him slipping. Appreciate that. Again, lots of nice comments today from the chat. Appreciate you guys. Need to move back to the UK so I can join the race then. Yeah, sorry about that, volatile alternative. I wish I had other accounts to give away, you know. I wish I did. Yeah, I wonder why they don't allow Vietnam. I don't know. Maybe you guys have different tax rules or trade deals with other countries or something. I'm not sure. So Angie's in the house. Hello, hello. Cute Papa. Hey, Waldo. Thank you. That's Ralph. That's my little Frenchie. He's 10 and a half years old. He's had a bit of a rough life, but you know, he's a happy guy in general. I'm near Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. So I'm in a little city about 1 hour outside of Vancouver. It's called Mission, and it's a little community about 1 hour outside of Vancouver. Hey, Chichamita in the house. Good to see you again. How are you doing? So I'm your Canadian friend from the north, Trader Higgs. I'm assuming you're from the US. You look like you got a bit of a golfing hat on there or something. I'm not sure. Or is it a, it's probably a university hat, I would say. Oh, it's, yeah, it's a, I think, is it a golf hat? It looks like a golf hat. You're from Texas? Also love Ralph. He's so chill. I know, he's chilling out. He's a sleeping kind of dog. Waldo, you're short NQ from 29.522. Nice move so far. Yeah, that's a decent entry. It got in the inverted bearish fair value gap, I'm assuming. My idea is practice stomaching big losses so I don't work myself out of trades, because I know that really takes only time I lose. Yeah, for sure. I mean, just being able to like not get emotionally afflicted by trades is definitely important. So you're in Minnesota, you recognize a northern accent? Yeah. Did I say A or what too many times? Hey, bud? Hey bro, I'm from Canada. I'm your friend from the north. Come on up here and have some poutine and some maple syrup. Let's go shoot a hockey puck at the rink there, bud. Hey? Best way to do is to start with sitting still while risking 17K. Go red. Oh, wow, yeah. 1 hour C2 and 15-minute fair value gap. Similar logic, I'm sure, to what you see. About? Are you sure about that? I did get into a long here, guys. This is in an eval 25K, or sorry, the 200K Blue Sky Propel account. I was trying to scale in on this on the pullback here into this fair value gap, but it looks like I missed it by a couple ticks there. It's too bad. Let's see if this thing doesn't give us a little more momentum. I'm gonna take off these two contracts here, see if we can't pop it up here a bit more. Should take one off here around 518. I'll leave one there, and then we'll go break even on the remainder. Hopefully this thing doesn't just turn around instantly on us here. You're short 29,520 or 2 minis right now. I'm in a live account. Hope it dumps. Oh, sheesh. Yeah, I'm not looking for this this long here to go very far. Just trying to get, look at that. We tapped into the previous day's point of control there. Maybe that's going to be the high of this candle. I don't know. Let's see. We do have orders up at, you know, some at 25, some at 37 area. So tomorrow's NFP. Yes, Angia. Yes, it is. So I think I might put a stop into break even here just a little bit. If this thing decides to come back down on me, I'll just get out of this trade. It's not worth risking, you know, leaving a bunch of money on the, you know, like, or taking a big loss, trying to like wait for it to pull back here. So if it pulls back, I can look at re-entering again down near value area low or something. But if we don't, if this momentum doesn't continue here, I don't really want to be in it anyways. So we need to, first things first, get through the 513s here. I don't have a TP very far after that. It's 517. Maybe I should target the 13s here for 1 micro to take it off. Catch 'em slipping. What I do to train myself is try new things with paper, but if I lose, I spend X% on my losses into my stock accounts. Nice. This tech sounds like Fortet. So if I lose, it still costs me money. Oh, that's a good idea. Thinking maybe I should get out of my short. I'm nervous. Well, we are kind of rangy, so I don't know if we're really going to go much higher, to be honest. I should have probably tried to take one off there at 512. We'll see if this thing gets back up there. I might just take one off 512 and then go break even on the remainder, and then at least I'm making like 25 bucks or something. lock in about 25 bucks. I'm not looking to make the bank make or break the bank here on this trade. This track sounds like Fortet. Nice. This is like free off of YouTube songs. We got a couple of them. They're just like no lyrics, just kind of like instrumental songs. I like to switch it up once in a while. Stay in. Got a bit of a resistance there at the 512s. $531. You think you're going to 531? That's a 200 EMA on my chart, on my 5-minute chart. Catch 'em, slip 'em. Welcome to the stream. Mostly seen people risk 30 to 50 points on NQ. Anything more might be guessing. Personally, I only risk 30 points on MNQ, 10 points on MES. Come on, let's get a pop here. Pop this up here, NQ. Come on, MNQ. Don't just go back down. Is this an hourly candle? It's an hourly candle here. Give us a little pop. I think I'm gonna move it down here. I'm just gonna take one micro off here if we can't get back up to the highs of this candle. And then just go break even on the remainder. Hit it. There we go. Okay, we got the one off there. Let's go break even on this one. Sell one stop. I'll put it just below the 500s here. And then we'll just go into trail mode. Let's see if we can't trail this bad boy up. It might just, that might be the top. You know, we've been finding resistance in this area. So, Green Delta, please. All right, guys. While I let this trade play out here, we're looking a little bullish. I'm actually going to lock in a little bit more now that we're popping up here. Rejected off of the 5. Look, there's your 5. Well, no, not quite 531. So I'm gonna get the form going here. We'll get the race going while we're waiting for this to. So it looks like we've got about 32 entries. That's awesome. That is awesome. We only have 45 entries so far for the Sunday form on the Discord. So you guys better get in there and fill that guy out. But we'll get these this race going here in the chat. And we'll get the duck race open here. We'll edit the name list. Oh, oops. Did I get, I think I may have missed OC? No, never mind. I got OCCCC. All right. Mano Chef, it's a comment in the chat there. It's not the pinned one though, but let me, I'll post it one more time here real quick so you can get a chance to enter it. Copy responder link. Last chance to get an entry in here, guys. Okay, I'm locking in a little bit more here. I'm gonna move my stop up to the point of control here at 529, 513. You're thinking we're gonna reverse at the 531? Hope not, hope not. I wanna see this thing run. Got 67 in profit, so I'm locked in about 30-ish. What do we got? 93 to 13, so 20 points locked in, so 40 bucks locked in so far on this trade. This is my second to trade in this account, so I'm currently up about 130. You think it'll break VWAP this time? Yeah, we might. Hey, we got Rafael Cini that got in last minute here into the forum. Thinking about locking in a little bit more, so 13. I'm gonna lock it in just up to the 18 here. So locking in another 5 points. So we got $50 locked in basically at this point. All right, I think the list is done. One more check here on the forum. Make sure we got. Where did Rafael Cini's thing go? That's weird. Your name was there and now it's gone. I copied it, I pasted it into. Anyways, seems like nobody else is putting anything into the forum, so I'm gonna get this duck race going here. Where is our duck race song? Is it this one? No, that's not it. Let's do the doo-wop song here. My wife just added? Dark brown? Locking a little bit more, right at the 520s now. Nice move to the 18 for stop loss. Come on, we really need to take this overnight view up and get some momentum. We do have another bearish fair value gap up here. You're Austin in the giveaway store form? Did you fill that out on the Discord, or did you fill it out on the YouTube? Because there's two forms, right? There's one in the YouTube channel and one in the Discord, so. We're breaking out here, guys. I'm going to trail this up again. I'm going right below the VWAP now. And we're starting to explode here, so I'm going to be a little more aggressive on just locking in profits on this trade. Whenever we get these big explosive moves, I just like to try to guarantee that we're going to lock it in here. Let's see if this thing's going to pop some more here. Looks like we're up about 60 points on one micro here. This is a pretty good trade. Yeah, it looks like it's about to explode, so I'm just, bear with me. Oh, I'm gonna get stopped out. I moved it down a little bit more. Are we gonna get stopped out? No. Come on. Don't do it. Yeah, it's gonna stop me out here, fortunately. Okay, I'm out of that trade. I don't have to worry about it anymore. So 159 bucks in this Propel account. Try to give it a little bit more breathing room. This thing, I don't think this thing's done, but we'll see. We'll see. This could be the resistance. I mean, it's done it before a couple times over here, so nice little trade though. Okay, we got the form ready to go here.
See you next Sunday at the race.
Thanks, Wilson. I'm gonna have to start a new song now that it's over. So here, where the heck is my actual duck race song here? Come on, where did it go? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna rename this so I can just duck stop loss. Save. Okay, now it should be easier for me to find in the future. All right, let's get this race going here. So we're gonna give away 3 ducks into the Sunday giveaway. Let me just double check here to make sure that nobody else filled out the form. Looks like nobody else added the form. We got 37 entries. Let's set this to 43 seconds is fine. We'll go full screen. We got to remove the little banner so you guys at the bottom can see what's going on. There we go. Ralph. Hey, Ralph. Ralph's out cold, guys. He's not gonna call the race for us today. All right, bunch of shuffles here. You guys ready to go? Good luck here, guys. Good luck. Here we go. We're off. We are off. We got the boner candles and the boner candle apron on here, guys. Good luck here. Miss K, Raphael Cini, Rising Phoenix, Amanda Chef, Donna H, T-Rod, J-Rod Trades, Angia, TXBL3, Fall Today, Master Q. It looks like Master Q is gonna take it, guys. Look at that. All right, Master Q. What? Taju? Taju, did you fill out the form in the chat there? go. I just reading the comments here. Let's go. Let's summon Nick the Great for Asia. Thank you, Mr. Dave. God bless you and your family. Thanks, Dave. What is that up there? Thanks, Milk. Awesome stream, man. Thank you. Thanks, great stream, man. Let's go. Thank you. Hi. Thanks. Let's go for an extra duck. Fun chat when market is slow. Hi, duck. Comments. Okay. Yeah, if you didn't fill out the form that I posted in the chat there, guys, you won't get an entry into tonight's race. We do 3 races. Master Q, are you here? Well, we usually give about 3 ducks away. Is Master Q in the chat? Master QE. QE? Master QE? Yeah, I don't see him. And then so Drew 69 Malibu and Taju 0121. I'll just double check here, make sure we don't. Yeah, I see your name on there, Richard. Right there, Richard Dowdy. Did you fill the form on Discord, Taju? Because I don't see you on the like you didn't fill it out here. I just added your name right there. I just added you on, but I don't see your name on here otherwise. So that means you did you fill it out on Discord? Because if you filled it on Discord, that's a different form. So I got you on here twice. Okay. Drew 69 Malibu. Oh yeah. I thought when you said that you weren't on there, so thanks for that. Randall Paul, you didn't fill out the form, bud? Randall Paul, trader. Oh, your name's in there twice? Raphael Cini, and then there's at, okay, gotcha. Thank you. Is OG mac and cheese on there? I don't see. I don't see OG mac and cheese. So the thing is, you probably missed. You didn't fill out the form in the YouTube chat if you're not on this list. It's Mac though. Oh, it is. It is. I see you. It's Mac though, right there. You're on there. I just filled the form out now. Okay, I see Psychic Trader 904. And I see Dark Brown. And I see Vanch. You guys are getting lots of last minute entries right here. Chris. And Simone Lucas. Okay, good luck here, guys. Wait. Who won that last one? But he wasn't here, right? Master Q. Master Q never came, right, guys? Hey, Tandin W. So I'd taken Masters off there so he doesn't get another attempt. Tandin W, are you new to the stream? Oi. I raids. Yes, it's ESC. I'll throw you guys on. I raid ESC and Tandin W. Dot 107. More varied? Did you get in on the giveaway here too, or what? Yeah, I see you there. More varied AC. Okay, you're here. Nice. So there's two forms, right? There's one form that's on Discord, and then there's one form in the YouTube chat. No, the one on Discord, you fill it out one time, you'll be in on every Sunday giveaway for the rest of the month. And then whenever we hit 75 likes on the stream, on the live streams, then we'll post a form in the YouTube chat, which you got to fill out to join it. So, Catherine missed the entry also. Sinister. Nice, welcome. All right, guys, we're good. No more. We're done. Okay, we're starting all over. We still got 3 accounts to give away, so good luck here. Good luck. Like the channel, folks. Subscribe. Hit the bell to all. Please support our boy. Yeah, bros. Thank you for that. Trader Higgs, Taju, Wrong Trade Jim, Vance Mathpaul, Red's Everyday Dog, The Mano Chef, Donna H, Vance, Just My Style. Who's gonna come from the back here? 5 seconds. Who's this? Who is that? Vikram. Vikram's taking it, guys. Super Duck here. Super Duck Vikram taking the race there. Nice, Vikram. There you go. Got an extra duck. All right, let's run it back here, guys. We got 2 more ducks to give away here. We'll give it a shuffle, and let's go. We're off. We are off. You got 2 more chances to win here, though, for an extra duck. Yeah, Superman, I guess. Of course, right? Yeah, he's definitely drugged. Definitely taking the drugs for that race. Steroided. Simone Lucas, Metalhead. Ryan Entourage, Vanch, IT, Sat, OCCC, SF All Day Every Day, All Day Today. Oh, Sinister, you gonna take this one? Looks like Sinister's taking it. Chris is quickly on the tails here. Sinister. Congrats. Sinister's here, right? I'm pretty sure he is. He just got in on the giveaway there, so we'll run it back here. Good luck, everybody. 1 more to go. Good luck. I raid. It's ESC. Drew 69 Malibu, Boss Main, Randall Paul Red, Catherine Periosillo, Trader Higgs, Raphael Cini, Ryan Entourage, Christine, Chris, Jabble Girl, Miss K with the Statue of Liberty outfit, It's Mac though. Looks like it's Mac though is gonna take this one, guys. It's Mac. Mac, are you still here, brother? Are you still here? Yeah, there you go. It's Mac got an extra duck there. Nice, nice. All right, let's do one more, guys. Good luck here. Good luck. Last one. Last one. Uno mas. Uno mas. Good luck here. Just my style. The Mano Chef, Trader Higgs, Angia, Chris, Miss K, Wrong Trade Jim, Rising Phoenix, Agent Rogue, Morverid, Richard Dowdy, Graham, Jabble Girl, Boss Main, Drew 69 Malibu, Sat 9473. Who's coming from the back here? Somebody with a strawberry on their head. Chuchumita 15 with the W. Yeah, starting up front's never good. That's how you lose. Chuchumita, are you here? Chuchumita 15. Say what's up in the chat. Oh, CCC 2888. Yeah, haha. Chuchumita, are you here, brother? You still here? Maybe actually sister? I don't know. Chooch. Chooch. Choo choo. Choo choo. Mita. Choo choo mama. Is that what Mita means? Mama? Wayne? Choo choo. Are you here? We're gonna have to run it back here if we don't get an answer here really quickly. We'll give her 20 seconds here.
Late night, NASDAQ open, market butcher on the screen. Wayne's watching volume. Jerry's
watching volume.
handles, and somebody better find Gordon.
Somebody better find Gordon. It's Mac. You get an extra duck. So now on Sunday's race, you're gonna have 2 ducks on the race on Sunday. All right, sorry, Choo Choo. I guess you're not here. We're gonna race it again then. So tonight's race is for an extra duck into the Sunday race, guys. So you basically increase your odds of winning the account on Sundays, but you gotta be here Sunday to win. So keep that in mind. Come hang out on Sunday evening. That's when we do the account giveaway. So if you fill out the form on the Discord, you'll have 1 duck entry. If you win tonight, you'll have another duck entry. So that means you're just doubling your opportunity to win on the Sunday race. You're just like increasing your odds, you know? All right. Simone Lucas, Donna H, Ryan Entourage, Miss K, I Raid ESC, Dark Brown, Miss K. Did I say that? I think so. Wrong Trade Jim. Richard Dowdy, stop loss hit. Ryan Entourage, stop loss. Van, stop loss. Who's this? Jerry Trades Futures with the unicorn. Look at that. Gordon got too rich, so somebody's got to find him. Jerry Trades is in the chat, so.
That mini's massive. One volatility alternative took 1300 from the range. Keltner channel work and then he shut down the game. Donnie traded 8 hours just to end where he began. As I fly said, that's 8 hours of experience.
Jerry Trades Futures. Extra duck. All right, congratulations, rigged. Rigged. It's always rigged. Unicorn duck is magic, I guess. Yeah, right? There we go. 3 ducks given away. 2 people weren't here for the giveaway. Unfortunately, they missed their opportunity. What can you do? What can you do? Gotta be here. You gotta be here to claim your duck. It's the same thing for the giveaway, guys. If you're not here, you're not gonna win. So, hey, Michael Krog in the house. Good evening. Good evening. Good morning to you, sir. GG's. GG's. So we caught a nice little trade there, guys, on that little ripper. Beautiful little bank. Locked in 159 bucks in the blue sky 200k eval. This guy's got a $6,000 profit target. Got to try to get there by the end of the month, by the end of 1 month. So 2 micros here, covered one sort of at the 512 area, and then look, we just blew up from there. Ended up trailing it up here, stopped out at 41s, 541. So up 159 in that account. 2 trades tonight. Right there, this guy, this short, and then a long later. So patience pays, guys. Patience pays. Congrats to the winners. All right, gang, I'm out for the night. I have a couple kids still awake, and school starts next week. They got to get used to going to bed early again. Right, Ryan? I totally feel you, bro. I totally feel you. 100%. All right, so what time do we got here? 10:30. You know what, guys? I think we're going to wrap it up here. It's been a fun session, but I do have to be up for market open tomorrow morning. It is Friday. So take it easy on the charts tomorrow, guys. Take it easy. We got, you know, NFP tomorrow, and it's Friday, so it's not always easy to have a good Friday. So just keep the size small. Don't look for too much money out of the market. Just be nice and easy. So I swear I had more time to trade on work days. LOL. Yeah. Right. So I'm going to say a shout out here to top fans. Appreciate you guys. Jerry Trades Featured, Ryan Entourage, Wayne, One Volatile Alternative, RXL, VII, Eric, Miss K, Randall Paul, Drew 69 Malibu, Raphael Cini, Zero Skills, Catch 'em Slippin', Yo Jim Nada Torres, Angia, Wilson is Gold, Noi, Reds Every Day, Trader Higgs, Taju, Trade Maka, Chris, Vikram, It's Mac though, Dark Brown, Bryce Vineyard, Skeletor, Richard Dowdy, Nightbuild Audio, Donnie Sidon, OCCC 2888, Mick Riker, Catherine, Perosilo, GLaDOS, Lone Wolf Blue, One Wonder Boy, Dio Soul, Siwa, Plurd, Waldo, Post, Boss Main, Chuchumita, Zach Lazarus, Kyle Shees, Tim Core, Rising Phoenix Trades, Serpent God, As I Fly, Philip Bonner, and the Mano Chef. Top 50 chats. Appreciate you guys. If you didn't get your name on the 50 top 50 call out, it's probably because you just didn't make enough comments. So all right. Yeah, we'll be live tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come hang out. Let's try to catch some decent trades. Keep it tight tomorrow, guys. Like I said, we got NFP, and it's Friday, so you know it's always a little bit more unpredictable on Fridays. Might be some profit taking. Might turn into a bullish situation. We'll see. So, but thanks everybody. I appreciate you guys hanging out. Covered 20 minis, 137. Still short 10 at 139. Nice. So yeah, so thanks everybody, appreciate you. Like I said earlier, if you are looking for some swag, guys, marketbutchertrades.com, head over there. I got a little Shopify store. We got VWAP is King shirts, as you can see here. VWAP is King. Market Butcher. Same with the t-shirt and the sweater. We got a hat with a couple options here. You can see we got couple different colors. We got black and charcoal, black and white, black and black. So check it out. Pretty good stuff here. Sweaters looking pretty good. We got like a gray, we got a black, just dark heather gray and a black. Two options there. They look pretty good. And then we got, you know, the cap. We got the cup. VWAP is king. Stack base hits. Trade like an adult. A little bit of a chart on the side there. This one's looking pretty good too. And then last but not least, we got the mouse pad. So that's what it looks like. It's a keyboard. You know, it's a big mouse pad. You can put your whole laptop or keyboard on it, plus your mouse. VWAP is king. Stack base hits. Trade like an adult. It's 16 inches by 32 inches. So check it out, guys. MarketButcherTrades.com. If you want to buy any of that swag, I would appreciate the support, but obviously no pressure. Just if you guys want some trading clothing, or maybe you know somebody it's a good gift for, think about grabbing some off there. And you know, check out Lucid for my discount code Butcher, BUTCHER. You can get the best discount available from them. I definitely recommend the daily accounts or the Lucid Flex accounts. Also, Tradeify recently, I'm an affiliate with them more recently, code Butcher there. Top One Futures, same thing, get best discount with them, but it's code Butch, BUTCH. I'm also an affiliate with Blue Sky, although my discount code Butcher doesn't work there. So if you want to support that, you just got to go to the description in the YouTube channel and hit the link. That'll take you to either sign up or to the checkout. And last but not least, we got E8 Markets here. I'm also an affiliate with them. They have some pretty cool plans. They're never going to force you to go to live. They don't like, you know, so if you are making lots of profit on their accounts, you can just keep trading them. So awesome accounts over there too. Check them out. Code Butcher for the discount there. And yeah, thanks everybody. I appreciate you guys. We will see you on the next stream. So thanks for hanging out and good luck. Stay sharp. Stay, you know, stay green. Keep it tight. Trade like an adult. And we'll see you in the morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or Sunday is going to be our next evening stream after tonight. So thanks everybody. I appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Big boys are active.
Candle squirm.
Jerry Candle Squirm.
Philip says, first time here. Wonder Man asks, you live every day? Wilson says, good trade, Dave. Welcome to the stream. Trade safe. Wait for confirmation. Respect the VWAP. And remember,
Sometimes 8 hours of trading gets you exactly
where you started. W's in the chat. Market Butcher roll call!
Thanks, Miss K. Wilson, thank you, Wilson. Good night. OC covered 5 more at 5:33. Now short 5 minis. Ooh, nice. Retrace to 5:10 at some point tonight. All right, good night, y'all. See you. Catch him slipping. Mano Chef. See you in the morning. Fall day today. Nice community, top vibes. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks. One volatile alternative. Thank you, sir. Rising Phoenix trades. Good night, all. See you, Wayne. Good night, big dog. Coming back for sure. I'll post when I hit my TP, and that's 4 minis. Nice. Yeah, bro. I'm looking forward to seeing that trade play out for you. Ryan's gonna come drop a like in the AM. Thanks, bro. I know, Chris. Time moves a lot faster once you get older. Ralph says good night, Wilson. Who was the last one? Good night, Red. Thanks, everybody. Peace out. Goodbye. Bye. Love you guys.